you could leave up here with your arms like that, you know, and while you're in the air, you can pull it out so you can gain some balance. All right?
Okay. I gotta gain some balance.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so scared. Just go?
Yeah. There's no one in the way.
Yeah? Okay. Are you sure about this?
Yeah, you're good, baby. That's my profession.
Do you want to go? Here, you go first. You go first. No, I'll give you $10 if you go first. I'll give you $10 if you go first. Okay, I'll go first. Okay. Piper's going first.
Okay, baby, you understand everything like that, right?
Yes. Arms out and then in.
Baby, I find you too close to the edge there.
Okay.
You're comfortable, right?
Yeah.
Just like here. You know you gotta do yeah, just a little bit over.
Touch the plants, Piper.
So the balance is still in the water and you touch it.
That's it.
I see you on the bottom. Ready?
I just go? Yeah, just jump.
Just go. Just go over it. Your feet gotta be like that. That's how you make it really into the water. Yeah. I'm talking about, yeah, into the water. You put it into the water. Your feet gotta be like that. That's how you're gonna make it really come into the water. Alright?
Okay, Pipe, you got it.
The people are making me nervous.
Sorry.
Don't worry about the people, man. You do what you gotta do. Just like let me go.
Okay, Piper, he's gonna go again.
Look at my friend go again. If you look at my friend. Ready? Alright. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, Pipe. Alright, we can do it.
Okay.
I do it, you do it?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Why do I have to swim before I can touch?
It's not that far.
It's scary.
You don't have to be scared. It's
Right
okay.
there?
Just a step, no jump. Step.
Just step. No
Yeah.
jump.
You see my friend go and you follow his demonstration. Everything is going to be fine.
Go.
Don't jump, step.
Do you want me to go, Piper? Do you want me to go?
You said that last time.
I can go if you want me to.
So I go out and push on.
Keep your hands on your side.
Yeah, you gotta use the arms
Okay.
to balance before you hit the water. As soon as you're about to hit the water, you tighten it up. Only be that one.
Piper, go, or I'll go.
Then you jump.
Okay.
Let me go before you.
You want to go before me?
You're still going to see a next
You come on the side. You come on the side.
Don't be scared.
I don't like it to the very edge, you know?
Yeah, that's scary.
It's going to be okay.
You have a look at my friend.
It's going to be okay.
You to look
If you put
carefully.
your body in this direction, you're facing against the tree, you're safe. So then you don't
Face
business
against
with
the
out
tree.
and you don't business with the left of
Okay.
the foot.
Okay.
When you're ready, Chris. Ready? It's just a step, okay?
Okay.
Just like that.
Just a step.
Yeah, just one step. And you get in the middle of the pool.
I'm gonna put this on my other hand. Can I plug my nose?
Yeah, but you gotta gain your balance before you do that.
Gain your balance first? Okay.
Just 1 minute. Well, you know, long when you stay up here, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna go. Is that okay? Oh, he's gonna jump. Is he gonna jump?
Yeah, you go ahead.
I'm going. Okay, so gain my balance first.
Yeah.
Arms out.
Yeah. That's what you do.
There's Austin. A little bit of chicken to go.